And the Bank of Japan stunned markets worldwide with its surprise announcement of a negative interest rate. It's the first rate adjustment since October 2010 that puts that country's key benchmark at minus 0.1%. And according to our Kim Min-ji, the rate can go even lower if necessary.
Japan's central bank has decided to adopt a negative interest rate policy. In a tight 5-4 majority vote, the Bank of Japan said it will introduce an interest rate of minus 0.1% starting February 16th, but will impose it only on current accounts of financial institutions hold with it. Simply put, lenders will be charged to keep money with the central bank. The move, which was pioneered by the European Central Bank, is seen as a means to push down borrowing costs in hopes that people would spend more, save less, and stimulate inflation.
In terms of interest rates, the Bank of Japan has decided to implement a negative rate of minus 0.1%. Going forward, if it becomes necessary, we would look at making that even lower if necessary.
In addition, the BOJ will maintain its quantitative and qualitative easing program, expanding its monetary base at the rate of 80 trillion yen, or roughly $660 billion a year, through buying up Japanese government bonds and other assets. Japan has long suffered from deflationary pressures, pushing the central bank to take aggressive stimulus measures in recent years. The BOJ said while the Japanese economy was showing modest recovery, there are lingering concerns regarding plunging oil prices, as well as uncertainties in emerging markets, especially China. However, some experts say the move will have limited impact.
The decision was unexpected, but it's not that aggressive. Firstly, the minus interest rate does not apply to all assets and funds. And secondly, despite lowering their inflation forecast, it's revised up its growth outlook. So overall, the move is expected to have limited impact on sentiment or the real economy.
Asian shares responded positively to the news, with Japan's benchmark Nikkei shooting up 2.8%. The Shanghai Composite rose 2.9%, while Korea's benchmark Kospi edged up 0.3%. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.